What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get started with this video, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell, and I also need you to subscribe to the channel. The reason I need you to do all of those things is because I made this channel in an attempt to teach you how to be an online entrepreneur. Okay, anyone interested in making money on the internet came to the exact right video. Now, there are other videos on the channel, so I suggest you go back, watch them all, get multiple tips and tricks on how you can make money online and what you can do. I suggest that you ring the notification bell because I'm dropping videos constantly and I don't want you to miss anything. So if you are here because you're trying to either save up for a little bit of money to buy something you like or go on a trip, or you're trying to figure out ways you can start making a business online now, and then you could potentially leave your job that you currently have, or you're looking for a job, or you're not trying to go back to a regular job, you're in between at the moment, this is a good video for you. I'm going to go through some tips and tricks on how you can start making money today. And then we'll get into how you can make money in the long term, because this is going to help you get by for now. This is going to put a couple extra coins in your pocket. It's not going to get you rich. It is going to start you on the right path though, and that's what we want to do. We want to just start moving in the right direction. But if you wait until the end of the video, I'm going to give you the real way I think people can make a full-time living off of online businesses. So this is gonna be a part one, and then part two is going to be at the end of the video, where I tell you, my number one recommendation for making money online. So let's get into it. I don't want to waste any of your time. Let's go to this app store, and we're going to go to App Karma. Now, App Karma is something you can download on your phone right now today, and it's not going to destroy you or anything. It's not going to give you viruses, nothing like that. But App Karma pays you via PayPal. You can do it for Android and iOS, and it's basically similar. There's multiple things on the actual app itself. There's paywalls, there's surveys, there's stuff like that, but it rewards you with reward points, and then you can redeem those reward points for real cash. Now, the best way I would go about using an app like this is I would use it in my spare time. I would figure out a way I could monetize my downtime, because I'm actively working. If I'm creating things or doing stuff, or at the job, when I have downtime, like walking to the store, or waiting for a friend, or just any time that I can think of where I'm not using too much energy and brain power, I would suggest to get this app out and start just going through the surveys, going through the small rewards. They don't ask for much. It's just, hey, download this app, leave it on your phone for 2 days, we'll give you 300 points. Hey, watch this video, we'll give you 200 points. Hey, do this, do that, and there's all there. They constantly have things, so you're never going to really run out of things to do, but it's an easy and low entry level point to where you can start making money online, making serious side gig money. But if you need the PayPal account, PayPal is going to be the best way to receive any of the income that you're going to get through all of these websites, honestly, not just this one. But App Karma is the first suggestion that I have. If you have a phone, it's great to just be able to monetize yourself that way, and figure out how to make some money in your free time. You don't always have to be rushing to the dollar. The dollar is right in front of you. It's in your hands constantly. You just have to go for it. So App Karma is going to be the first website that you want to go to for that. We're going to go to another one in the App Store that you can go to. It's called Make Money Free Cash App. And you can see here it says easily earn real money with just a few taps. Gain credit, redeem, transfer. You can redeem, again, you see PayPal here. So you want to get that PayPal account. And PayPal is just like an online banking system. It's just a middleman, from the bank to whatever the service or product is. That's all that it is. It's nothing crazy. So it's 100% free. There's no reason not to get it. I think it's beneficial for everyone, absolutely everyone. And it just makes getting money online so much easier. So if you go to the App Store, you're gonna go to Make Money Free Cash App. Is going to be the name of the app that you're going to use. And you basically do something very similar to App Karma. You just do tasks on the app and you get points and you redeem those points for real money. Now, you also can redeem those points for gift cards and other products that you could offer. Maybe, you get a $25 Amazon gift card. You can just give that to, a friend of yours who really needs it and things like that. So I would suggest that you get this app. There is one thing on here that, you click the screen a whole bunch of times and there's a cheat code. I just want to scroll down a little bit. You see the rating over here. Now, if anyone knows, the App Store comments and rating section, they do not hold back whatsoever. They will tell you if you have a terrible product right off of the rip. So 4.7 out of 5, predominantly all 5 stars. This is a very, very reliable application that I'm showing you. So I suggest that you go ahead and you grab this, download this. It's really easy. There's no reason for you not to. And it's a great starting point. It's a great way to, again, monetize your free time. If you do it and you don't think about it, then it's going to be even more beneficial because, one day you're just going to look up and say, oh my gosh, I have, a couple $100 extra that I wasn't even, looking for or thinking about. Let's head to the next one. I'm going to go to Quiz Rewards. This is also in the Google Play App Store. And it's a game, which is great. It makes making money fun on your phone. And you just answer a bunch of questions. That's the straightforward version of it, and they have different themes, different topics. But if you like playing games, if you don't mind, having a little bit of fun and making a little bit of cash at the same time, this is going to be the right app for you. This is going to be where you want to go. I suggest you download the last 3 that we've talked about. If you only download one of them, definitely do the Make Money Free Cash App one. That's going to be your best bet, honestly. Again, it has the best reviews and it has the best, ratings. And it's actually really good, it is a really good product. This one is fun. I love this app. Like I said, you can get rewards. All you do is answer questions. And you don't just get the money. Again, they pay through PayPal, but you don't just get money. You can do, Amazon gift cards. Sometimes they do like gym membership stuff. It's different. It varies. So they keep it fresh for you. They keep it really fresh. Let's go to another one. Let's go to App Trailers. This is great if you just kind of like to know what's coming out and what's on the market. This one pays, it varies. It basically pays you to watch advertisements for, businesses or new apps that are coming out. It's really good. I enjoy some of them, but it's the number one way to kill time. It's really, honestly, out of all of them, this is the best way to kind of, because you're not actively doing anything. You're just watching. You just have to watch it. And truly, what you could do is you could just, have a separate phone or a separate device open. You can leave it open and do something else while this plays, and just get money that way. That's a really good way to get into it and to start. But App Trailers is going to pay you to watch app trailers and other businesses as well. It's not just applications. All right. So let's go to another one. Let's go to Ipoll. Now, if you're an opinionated person, this is going to be a great one for you because, businesses are coming out with products every day. They need people to, let them know how they are, if they're working, so they can go back to the drawing board, fix it, and things like that. Ipoll pays you to give your opinions on things. And it's really, really fascinating. You can download it for Android or iPhones, so you don't have to worry about that. But it's just something you pick up really fast. You pick it up. Go open the application, see what they're talking about, and you say, hey, what what do you think about this product, or have you seen this in the store, or if this existed, would you use this? And you give your honest opinions about it. And if you're an opinionated person, you like to talk, this is going to be great for you. So you want to go to Ipoll and get that, and they do a rewards program. They pay you via PayPal. It's not hard. It's very, very entry level. Now, this is all great stuff. This is going to get you a little bit of money on the side. It's going to make you save up for something that you really like. But at the end of the day, it's not going to make you rich. And if you're all the way at the end of this video, then you're definitely interested in trying to figure out how to make a full-time income online. And this isn't going to be a full-time income, the apps that I just showed you. But if you click the first link in my description, this is the part 2 I was talking about earlier. The first link in my description is going to lead you to what I believe is the best way to be making money online, full-time income, to where you can quit your job, or not go back to your old job, and really settle in on this. So I would suggest you do that. Click the first link in my description if you're a serious entrepreneur, and you're trying to make a full-time living off of your online business. That's going to be my #1 recommendation. All right. So my name is Make Money Malik. Please be sure to like this video, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time. Peace.